Bristol Food Connections is a unique city-wide food festival celebrating the city's thriving and diverse food culture. This year, the festival is encouraging people from all over Bristol to share their food skills with the world in an initiative called Pass It On.
Hi, I'm Briony. I was on the Great British Bake Off this year and I'm a very proud Bristol girl. So this year I'm really excited to be working with the Bristol Food Connections Festival. There's 122 events going on. And I will be taking part in the free live demo kitchen at the Colston Hall. I'm also taking part in the Pass It On initiative, which is very exciting. It's all about sharing recipes, sharing food ideas. It's going to be a bit like a big Bristol recipe book, which is lovely. So we're going to crumb coat this lovely Victoria sponge here, which I've already stacked ready to go. So I've just got some buttercream in here. Now the reason we crumb coat a cake is it really is quite literally to stop the crumbs going out to the outer layers of the cake. So you want to put a crumb coat on first, then pop it in the fridge for half an hour to let it set, and that's when you're going to put on your second layer of icing, which will be much smoother because you've got the crumb coat on underneath. I tend to dollop it on the top and then I kind of work it down. Now your crumb coat does not have to look perfect. This is the joy of a crumb coat. You just basically want to cover the whole cake, roughly at this point, with the buttercream icing. And then we're going to use a cake scraper to just smooth it all out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pop that in the fridge for, like I said, for 30 minutes. I mean 20 minutes is probably fine, but 30 minutes you really want it to just harden up so when you touch the icing, it doesn't come off on your hand anymore. So that's it, that's my tip, but I'm passing it on to you of how to do a crumb coat.